So I was heading back and I just left this trolling behind me with all the line out. And then all of a sudden my yak wouldn't go. And I was like, I probably got a rock since there's a lot of rocks. And it looks like I got a fish. Let's see if I can. It's a solid one. See? Yeah, I was just trolling. Because I was heading back to the truck. Like I'm not even halfway back to the truck. But oh snap. I got something. Let me get it tired real quick. I wonder what it is. It feels like a striper. Like how it's fighting. Feels like a striper. See what it is though. Better not be a drum. Please be a striper. Yes sir, it's a striper. I saw it. I saw its tail. It's a striper. It's a solid one. Bigger than the first one for sure. It's coming. Let's go. Whew. Yes, sir. It's a nice one. Let me get the hook out real quick. Let's see. Let's take a view on it. Heck yeah. Shout out Cabela's. Ya pasa pa'l caldo. Let's put him with the other dude. Yes, sir. Dinner right there.